Hey guys, welcome to WILDsides. Today we'll be learning how to use a predator call. We will also be trying to call in some predators. Let's get right to it. This is a predator call. This controls the predator call. For example, predator calls can be used on night hikes when you're trying to call in predators like coyotes, fox, some owls maybe. And it also can be used for hunting. So, here's an example of a female coyote. Here's an example of a coyote pup. So what we are doing is we are pretty much just trying to call them in. So we are listening for the coyotes, we are listening for them to run in almost, and we are also using our eyes and our headlamps to see if there are any like eye shines. Alright, so another one we have is a jackrabbit in distress. Since jackrabbits are not native to this area, we will be using the cottontail in distress. So, this can be used to call in foxes, coyotes, screech owls maybe, anything that would eat a rabbit. So, let's give it a shot. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed learning how to use a predator call. A couple things when using this is you want to look for eye shines, you want to listen for like noises of moving around, and you also want to listen for, if it's a coyote, maybe a howl back. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. My name's Jack. My name's Sam. Be nimble, be quick, and we'll see you next time. Another example is a bobcat in heat. Excuse me, just a bobcat. Hey guys, welcome to WILDsides. Today we'll be learning how to use a predator call. We will also trying to be